Hey vlog! It's another weekend. I'm out and about with my friend. So today we are here in Cubao Expo. We'll be eating here at Habanero as we've heard they serve great pizzas. And this is what we've ordered. I love their pizza. It's light and the cheese flavor is not overpowering. There's no umay factor. After our brunch, we've headed towards our next destination. Here at Tough Guys Shooting Range. If you are curious, this isn't my first time to try the shooting range. I can't exactly say that this is a hobby, but definitely it's one of the best activities where you can release stress. And here's my friend shooting her shots. And it's now my turn. I think we only paid around 1,700 for two, and we received 23 bullets each. It was a very quick activity. We only finished within 30 minutes. Since it's still early, we've decided to grab some coffee. And we've just realized that today is the Bini concert. That explains why there are huge crowds near the Coliseum. Hi, Frankie! Hello! Ang init. May bagyo pero mainit. We had so much fun today. I also hope you enjoyed this video. So that's it for today. I hope to see you again next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.